Oh, good morning everyone, it's Sunday. I don't even know what day it is because last night I had a really shit night's sleep. So I literally leave on nothing in a minute, but today I go to see the mother, go to get Amy's review mirror fixed. And I think I must have slept funny on my hand and my left shoulder because my whole left arm is really fucking hurting, so yeah, see what happens today, I guess, really. Sorry about yesterday's vlog being late. No, it wasn't actually late, it was actually on time, wasn't it? But I forgot to put the intro and outro into it, which was a bit annoying, so, yeah, that's why I was only like 2 minutes 50 long, so I'm going to try and make this vlog a lot longer, so, Feud review, me and my fiance are in West Bay McDonald's, where I used to work, Amy's going to car to it because rearview mirror got fucking knocked off, and, her airbag light's fucked. So, food review,
put it here.
Service.
Hey.
Service.
Cool.
Service was actually a 10 out of 10 because my friend served me. Food, I'd say, was for me, about a 6.5 or 7 out of 10, so I couldn't eat it all. So she's still eating. So how's it for you?
I had a Big Mac on its own, but with no lettuce and no pickle.
She's weird. I love pickles, but she hates it. So
it was nice.
It's really weird. There we go.
It was nice. I don't know. Like I probably like a 7 just because I'm fed up with McDonald's food.
So am I.
And it makes me feel sick.
Same here. It's sort of like turns my stomach over. So that's our food review. Done.
Stop with the cheese bites. Cheese bites. Cheese bites. Cheese bites. What do you rate the cheese bites? Stop.
Well, I rate the cheese bite. I'd say 7 out of 10. Yeah, 7 out of 10.
And what about your Coke?
Coke. Normal 8 out of 10. So altogether I'd say about 7.5.
No, Coke's 10 out of 10.
I'd say 7.5 out of 10.
What, for the whole thing?
Yeah. Food review done. Well, stuck in good old English traffic and we just had a pop.
That's right, because I was moving out the way.
But it wasn't her car. On our way down to my mum's, we've chosen the worst route to go. Yeah, sorry about my hair, it looks like broccoli.
Why do you call it broccoli?
I don't know. I feel like it. But yeah, this is the traffic we have to contend with. It stretches all the way down there, like towards the traffic lights. So you can see I've been near me at Chelmsford as well, I've got to say, and that's what my fiance just said. So we will get there eventually. It's now currently, what's the time?
I don't know.
I don't even know.
It's 12:15 there, it's not.
It's probably about 1 o'clock.
About
so
1:15, I think.
about 1:15. So see what time we get there. Actually. So the mother is actually trying to wrap Christmas presents and oh yeah. She's not moving for shit. You alright there, Mum?
No. I have an issue.
Oh yeah.
I have a catastrophe.
Oh man. The kid. The kid's not moving it. Oh my god. Oreo. Oh, she stopped it now. We see Oreo in a wild habitat, trying to help the mother do your Christmas wrapping. Is she helping at all, Mother?
No.
Oh, now she's fucking off.
Yes, please do.
She's like, do I fuck off? Or do I be a little rascal?
She's going to open some of the presents. No, Oreo. Thank you.
Bless her little heart. Oh! Oi! You two. Little shits. How come's all the electric's gone up but these haven't? Well, my mum is getting a new cooker fit because her one blew up, and from what I know, they're having a bit of trouble. Like, I don't know, because the electric keeps going off, these lights keep going off. These lights stay on, so we found out the baby monitor keeps going off. So, I'm not exactly sure what they're doing, but yeah, today's vlog will hopefully be a bit more interesting than the last few, because I know the last few haven't been great. I've had feedback from friends and like family saying, hey, I need to make it more interesting, so that's what I'm going to try and do. See, look. Oh, you didn't see it, but these lights keep going off and then coming back on. And that noise is the baby in my eye. So. See? It makes no fucking sense. If you're going to play, at least be nice to each other. Oreo. Fudgy. Yeah. These are my mum's 2 new kittens. Well, not new, we've had them for a few weeks now. Oreo. Fudge. So, I think this one's a like dominant one, like one likes to play a bit more. Don't you, eh? Just like, yeah, how can I be asked to? They're so cute though. That one's eyes are beautiful. This one's eyes are beautiful too, but you can't really see because she's already got her eyes open. So the mother's now got a new cooker installed. You happy with it?
Yes. I'm now getting smoking plate and paint.
And now, because obviously my sister's got a baby, we've now got a keychain thing, so the cooker won't actually like pull over if the baby tries to pull over.
Look, oh fuck, that's hot. No, maybe not.
You fucking. It's like you tell me it's hot, and you go and do it yourself.
Don't do as I do.
Logic, mother, logic.
Do you want mince pie? Do you want mince pie?
Do you want a mince pie? Yeah.
Hell yeah. Right, okay. Look, I've got you Asda's Extra Special. They're not just any mince pie, they're Asda's mince pie. Extra special with little stars and sugar on. Happy Christmas, Ben.
Thanks, mother.
Really? Do you want your nails
Oh,
cut? Do you want your nails cut? Because carry on the way you're going and you're going to lose your whiskers.
This is what you get, Mum, for having so many cats.
Peanuts helping, and now I've got...
It's literally mini because of
Fudge.
the colours.
Oh, kissy kittens.
One of them's guffed. Doing the outro to the vlog now, guys. It's only 5 o'clock, but I want to try to get this vlog up by 6:30, so be sure to like, subscribe, ding the bell for notifications. No idea what I'm watching on TV, but I'm trying to get it up as soon as I can. So, the baby's now awake, but I'm not putting him in the vlog for privacy reasons. You good boy? Anyway, like, subscribe, ding the bell for notifications, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another daily vlog. See you later.